I gave a testimony about how I got a job after the Accelerate conference last year. It was a menial job at a warehouse, even though I had years of experience working as a professional in the IT industry. I was still grateful to be a warehouse floor associate. After surviving some horrible situations in life, I took whatever I could get. I was working on the warehouse floor in New York when Night of Increase event was on. I plugged my earphones because I wasn't going to miss the service for nothing. I even knelt down on the warehouse floor when Pastor Godman prophesied, saying that God is packaging the blessing of 10 years into 1 year. I screamed with joy as I knew this was for me. Suddenly, I was getting contacted by recruiters on LinkedIn from Fortune 500 companies like Facebook, Amazon, and Google without even updating my LinkedIn profile. I got a lot of interviews and also got many rejections. But I held on to that word as well as other declarations about my restoration. I interviewed with a company for a lead role. After conducting 4 interviews, the technical recruiter called and said I didn't get that role, but they would like to consider me for another role. Then I went through 3 more interviews. I was so nervous I called my small group friends, an online church pastor, who agreed in prayer with me. I honestly thought I did poorly in the first interview, but I was actually advanced to the last rounds with the Chief Technical Officer and the Vice President of Products, my people. I got the job, which is a senior role, with amazing benefits and stock options. My salary is more than all my salaries for the past 10 years added together. Yahweh is a good God.